Please check the comments for links to the tools and devices we use. From our house to your house. Hi, this is Chris with Tech-HAUS. Let's look at the readiness assessment we use to determine if we have everything we need to install smart devices in our house. The very first thing we need is good Wi-Fi coverage throughout your house and yard. We will cover garage door opener, thermostat, doorbell, outlet, and blink outdoor camera requirements. The garage door opener test requires a small loop of wire to make a connection between the two contacts that the physical button attaches to in order to see if it triggers the door to open or close. The instructions for the device state a pair of needle nose pliers can be used, but I found the contacts too small to make proper connection. If this method works, then the Tech-HAUS add-on will work on your garage door opener. If not, you will need to follow the instructions in step 2 provided by the manufacturer. To install a smart thermostat, you will need to check the existing thermostat wiring. 3 wires will be required if you're just using the thermostat for heating, and 5 wires are required if you're using a thermostat for heating and cooling. In our case, there were 4 wires, but only 2 used for the existing thermostat. This is because the old thermostat had its own power supply. As we had 4 wires and our furnace had a power connection, we were able to use one of the extra wires to power the ecobee thermostat. After removing the furnace cover, we located the connection for the existing thermostat. The black and red wires were used to make the thermostat connection. We used the blue wire for power by connecting it to the power source on the furnace. Most doorbells have a lighted button at the door indicating power at the button. If your doorbell button is not lit, you will need to remove the button and test for voltage. You are looking for at least 12 volts from the wires to sufficiently charge the internal battery of the Blink doorbell camera. Outlets can be checked using an outlet tester that indicates proper wiring and ground. The only requirement for Blink outdoor cameras is sufficient Wi-Fi coverage that can reach outside your home. Congratulations, you have completed the readiness assessment. Check out our other YouTube content to begin your home automation DIY project. From our house to your house. Do not forget to check the comments for links to the tools and devices we use. We hope you found this video useful and informative. Thank you for choosing Tech-HAUS DIY videos.